Ai are guiro Yama buku da koi kia
For those of you that know me, you know I'm about to head down to the Amazon rainforest in a few days.
One opportunity, maybe one last opportunity for the family to be all together.
Yeah.
Hey Mom, I'm here. He doesn't want to send his mom right now. There's no way he can send his mom right now. Does she want to go? Mama.
I need like a reset to handle this.
But if you tell her, she's gone.
And I just want to do the right thing.